Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Elisa's Kitchen, real home, real cooking. In our Navratri and Diwali special, here I am with another recipe. So today we are making aloo tikki, especially for Navratri fasting. For that, it's a potato patties. Okay, for this, what all ingredients we need? Here I have taken boiled 3 potatoes, coriander leaf, green chili. Friends, if in your fasting, when you are doing fasting, some people use coriander. So if you use coriander, please go with coriander. If not, then it's okay. And we need freshly grated coconut, some dry fruits. Here I have used mixture of peanuts and almonds. Finally I have chopped them, and then for that balance the salt and spiciness, you can add sugar. Okay, but as I don't want to use sugar and make it more healthier, here I have used raisins to give that light sweet flavor. Okay, so I have used some raisins over here. Okay. For the binding I am using here sama ke chawal ka aata. Okay, it's a type of rice. Normally during Navratri fasting people used to eat this. Okay, so I'm using the powder of sama rice. Okay, if that is not used, or if it is not available with you, you can go with sago seeds powder. First I will be putting potatoes. 3 potato I have taken. Now I will be mashing this potato nicely like this with my hands only. My hands are clean. So I will be mashing with the hands nicely. You have to mash very nicely. Then to this you have to add coriander if you use coriander, and green chili, and salt according to taste. Then again mix it nicely like this. Then add the rice powder. Sago seed powder also you can use to give that binding to the potato. This mixture is prepared. Now for the filling, you have to mix the coconut, dry fruits and raisins. Just break the raisins in small pieces so it will be mixed with. Okay, so our filling is also ready for the tikki. Now we will prepare the tikki or potato patties. So this is a batter. I will take one plate and prepare, and I will keep on this. So I will take this big. I will roll it like this. Just make a hole in the center and fill the filling like this. Generously you can fill how much you want, but keep one thing in mind, the filling should not pop out. Okay, and then close it. Then close it like this. And as we are making with potatoes, so be little soft handed. Okay, very soft handed you have to handle this. And whenever you are preparing the patties, just tap on both the side to maintain the shape also. So our first tikki is ready. So friends, I have prepared all the potato patties tikki. Now we will shallow fry it. Okay friends, here I have kept a tawa. Okay, and now to this you can take any fry pan or tawa, anything whatever you like. Then you can add oil or ghee or clarified butter, whatever is available with you. Okay friends, so it is oil is hot enough to add the patties to this. So I am adding the patties. First on medium heat, let it fry from one side, then we will give a turn. In between you can just swirl the pan like this. In very low flame we will be cooking them. So we will get the color also as well as that crispiness also. Now we will just flip up. See the color. And we have to actually fry, just swirl like this so that oil can go to all the tikkis. Also, if same color comes, I'll just take it out. That's all. And our tasty vrat tikki or vrat mein aloo ki tikki, or you can say aloo patties, potato patty in a healthy version. So friends, our vrat mein aloo ki tikki is ready. Do try this recipe. Comments, like, subscribe, and what, share my channel if you have not shared, if you have not subscribed. Please do that and hit the notification bell. I'll come with another healthy yet tasty Navratra special, Navratra and Diwali special recipe. So till next video, bye bye.